Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's been about a week or so, maybe longer, but I welcome you back again. Life got the best of me. And however, I am still talking about how to make money online. Now, this is my suggestion number 26. Again, my suggestion number 26 of how to make money online. Now, my suggestion 26 is to develop a software. Now, this is suitable for people who like to develop new things and like technical stuff. The skills that are required is just knowledge of any programming language. The time required for creating a software depends on the expertise of the developer and the scope of the software. How to monetize. One simple way to earn money from your software is by creating your own website and use it for promoting your software. You can also put your software on affiliate marketing links such as ClickBank, Share a Sale, JVZoo, and let other affiliates promote it. So again, this is my suggestion 26, and it is to develop a software. I thank you for listening. I hope you've enjoyed my videos 1 through 25 for my suggestions 1 through 25 of how to make money online. And again, I thank you for visiting. Like this video if it has been of any interest to you. And you can also share it with your family and friends because you never know who this information may help. If you want to be notified every time I make a video, click that little bell button down at the bottom and it'll notify you every time I make a video. Again, I thank you for listening. I thank you for your support and have a wonderful day.